finished our lunch at this place called UBM. I hope you can see. We had like 30 varieties of non-veg. This place in the exact center between Salem and Coimbatore. Our time is 4 o'clock now. We're full heavy. Hope I do not sleep while riding. To join the highway now from the place where we ate. Once we hit the highway, then we don't have much of a problem, I suppose. Guys, it started to rain. I don't know if you can see. I was very sleepy now after the meal. So we just thought we'll quickly wear our rain gears. Raincoat is here, so not a problem. So yeah, rain is heavy now. So guys, we want to ride in the rain again. Okay guys, let's start in the rain. I don't know, 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the midnight we'll reach home. We'll see. I don't know how long the rain is going to be. I was actually sleepy. Good that rains came in one way. Okay, let's go guys. Podum. So from Salem, we have to reach Chennai. Hey, look at the clouds here. Wow. Covering the mountains. I think that must be the Yerkad Hill. Okay guys, we took a short break near Atur. We have another 300 kilometers to go. So probably our next break will be after 150 kilometers. We'll leave. Yeah. Guys, heavy rains have started. We are joining the National Highway 45, the Trichy-Chennai highway. So I think from here till Chennai, it's going to be rains. We still have about 200 kilometers to go. So we can't take much speed, although it's a national highway, because of the rains. Probably we'll be reaching by midnight, 12 o'clock, I believe. So guys, hope you all enjoyed the Valparai trip. It's going to come to an end. So probably I'll see you somewhere close to Chennai or outskirts of Chennai. So hit the subscribe button guys, and also comment down if you have any specific place in mind where you would like us to visit. We'll definitely take it into consideration. So So we are at our last fuel stop, guys. From here, the next will be our home. Okay guys, finally we have reached Chengalpet. Finally, yeah. Guys, we are a little slow, but I wanted to just cruise through 100, 110, so I came first. I guess Thiagu and Vicky are coming with me. I think they reached here.